everyone, welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock the legendary CANDICORN pet and adopt me. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to get the CANDICORN pet, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, in order to get the CANDICORN pet, you need to make your way over to the adoption island. From the adoption island, what you need to do is you simply need to make your way over to this section. This should be like the central hub area. Once you're at the middle area, you want to go ahead and click on the CANDICORN. However, the only way to unlock him will be by getting it for 1,000 Robux. So there is no, I believe, way to get it through, in-game currency as of right now. So that is the only way to unlock it. So that should basically be it for the video. That is how to get the CANDICORN the CANDICORN pet. So yeah, that should be it for the video. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.